Hi, my name is Mark. I've been suffering from some hair loss for quite some time now. As you can take a look here, what I was wanting to do is try to find something online that was natural, organic, stuff that wouldn't cause current hair follicles and also make me lose what little I have left. I went online and checked out with the doctors and came upon this great product, HairCubed. Organic, natural, and my hair color is black. Let me show you how it works here. So now, we'll apply a little bit on, wait a few seconds. Now I'm going to brush it through here. And as you can see, it's thickening as it goes. Just constant. And as you can see, apply just a little bit more. Yep. Brush it through just a tad. You can see the results are coming through automatically. And this is how it looks. You remember how thin it was in the beginning. Amazing product. Now, the second part is a sealer, which is recommended. And there you have it. Waterproof sealer. So what do you think? So if you're suffering from hair loss as I was, and thinning and being self-conscious about your hair, HairCubed has formulated this product that makes your hair, the fibers, look not like fiber, but your natural hair. And that's it. HairCubed has become part and will continue to be part of my daily. Works great outdoor activities, riding, swimming, bicycling, anything sweating in the sun. The only way to remove this is once you take a shower and apply shampoo. The only time it will come off then. Happy, satisfied, less self-conscious, and I got more hair than I first started with.